cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough.
I don't get called Stellawhyt for nothing. There must be a white somewhere. Do you get? Oh my god. Hey beautiful people, so we are having our photo shoot today. I don't know what I look like. Yeah, so we're having a baby photo shoot today, and yeah, this is what I look like before the makeup. I don't like what's going on here, but is there any way we can adjust this later?
My body's fine.
I usually don't like that thing, but it's okay. All right, so talk to you guys. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Stella. I'm a mommy YouTuber based in Nigeria. So this is our photo shoot and final baby gender reveal. Enjoy this video, like, share, and subscribe.
Battery low. Please recharge it.
Great.
Who's teaching who how to dance? Great. Are you serious? Oh. Alright, hey guys, this is officially the gender reveal. Yeah, this is the gender reveal, photo shoot, and all that. Call it anything you want. So forget about what I am putting on and forget about the colors you're seeing. They may be true and they may be false. So it is assumed we do not know, we don't have an idea of what sex it is I am carrying and we are expecting. Okay, so the actual gender is in this balloon, which is going to be popped out soon. Stay tuned and definitely great. You want a baby brother and a baby sister?
Baby sister.
You're not serious. You told me baby brother earlier. Huh? Have you changed your mind?
Yes.
Oh really? Oh good. Okay, so guys, yeah. So this is officially the gender reveal video. Alright. When Uncle says go, go. Alright guys, at this point, grades will be popping what we have in here, and whatever color you see
It's lava.
is what?
Lava.
Okay, so right now is the gender reveal proper. Okay, so Uncle, when you're ready, we're ready. Can you come now? Are you a spectator? Okay, let me ask you. Wait, don't say. Okay, so what baby do you want? I don't know. Tell us. What baby do you want? Politician. Okay, great. So are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Uncle, if you're ready, don't stand like that now. Put some busy like you're expecting something.
Okay,
I know what I'm doing.
All right, great. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Gwen is gonna have a baby brother. Great. Great. Yay!
You want to
Not now. Hey beautiful people, so we are having another outfit. Like you can see here, I don't get called Stellawhyt for nothing. There must be a white somewhere. Do you get? Oh my god, my girl Baby Can of Baby Can channel, of course, she just told me, mommy, is white your favorite color? And I was like, you know, it's a fact that I refuse to accept, but I think at this point I need to actually accept that I am a lover of white. Okay, so yeah, so this is my full outfit.
Don't pick it.
Aww. So let's go have the next photo shoot. You won't believe what time it is right now. It is about 10. King Great. You're eating. You're eating, right? My day was fine. Alright, let's go. Alright. Who's your guy? My guy, come now. I will never leave your side. I dedicate myself to you, my baby. No mind, cause you are ready for life. I dedicate my life to you, my guy.
Okay, 1, 2, throw.
Yeah, this is Excel Imagery Studio. Like, this is the chief photographer. Am I right? I hope I'm not giving your title to someone else. Okay, so those who know me, you know that I'm stuck with Excel. You know I am stuck with Excel. Like, I've known them for how many years? I think up to 4 years now, and
4 years plus.
yeah, 4 years plus, and I've been shooting with them back to back. Everything I got to do, their handle will be on the screen. Check them out on Instagram. I can't fail to shout them out. And this beautiful hair is made by Nsidbe, right? And my makeup is Care of Beauty Bros. She sent her girl, but of course, like boss like Pikin, you know. Anyways, all their handles will be on the screen. Check them out on their Instagram pages and please support them. Excel Imagery, of course, you're going to see the pictures. I can't do things with, you know what I mean. All right guys, this is their new studio and I am the first person to disvirgin. I'm the first person to disvirgin this their new studio and I am excited. I'm a special customer. I should be awarded, you know. Like I told you earlier, the time now is about 11 and I want to shout out to all the team members. Hello, please come and show your face. He's the one that is even gingering me to snap. See, he's still setting up. I'm tired. Come and show your face. Yeah,
Hey
what's
guys,
your name? Yeah.
I'm Joseph Ekong, my name.
Yeah, Joseph Ekong, thank you so much. And I have Chief. It's your hello. Moses, it's my first time seeing you here. Yeah. Is that your drink over there? So this is a new person here. What's your name? Moses and Peters. Peters, we can't see. You're tired. Sorry. All right, guys. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. You can see they are all still smiles, and I truly appreciate them. All right, guys. See now, makeup popping. I was not pregnant woman with this. All right, guys. So did you enjoy this photo shoot and the baby gender reveal? Just like I did, like I had a lot of fun.
Like I popped the balloon.
Yes, he popped the balloon. And what color did you say?
Blue.
Meaning you're having a baby.
Sister.
Oh, look at you. All right, guys. So this is practically, we're winding down, and if this is the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I don't think I would have time to shut or to close this vlog after now. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Thank you so much for the support. Like all through the world, the support has been massive. I truly love you. I truly appreciate you. Please keep sharing the video. I see you all. I see your comments. I see your wishes. Like, oh my god, thank you. That's just all I can say, and I'll see you in my very next video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Otherwise, you're going to miss a lot of my uploads. That way, you subscribe, you like this video first, subscribe, and
subscribe my mommy. Tell her Mrs. Stella.
Okay, you have heard it from the horse's mouth. Like, that is my deputy. Like, he just told you to subscribe, right? That's the only way you can see new videos anytime I put up a new. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.